The Lee Kong Chan School of Medicine from Singapore, in collaboration with Imperial College London, are participating in a week-long student exchange with 10 students from LKC visiting London. I went to find out what's going on.
So currently we have an exchange programme between Singapore and London, where 10 Singaporean students are visiting us in London, and soon 10 UK students will be visiting them in Singapore. And the purpose of this visit is to develop a relationship between our two schools, and in particular between these two sets of students, in the hope that future activities will be shared between them. And what we hope very much is from this research project and thoughts about the way medicine should be across the world will start to emerge. The 10 medical students from Singapore are essentially having an immersive experience in university medical school life in London. So, for example, today they're being taught about how the NHS works. Then they're going to be taken on a tour of various historical landmarks of medicine in London. They're going to have an experience of anatomy in our London school. They're going to have experiences of lectures and tutor programs. They're going to meet with our students. They're going to play sport with our students. They're going to experience the science that we offer at Imperial College and how they might get involved in scientific projects in the future. In short, they're learning what it's like to be a medical student in London in comparison to being a medical student in Singapore.
The programme began with a tour of Imperial's campus, and as the week goes on, the students will participate in a variety of clinical teaching sessions.
I think the trip has been extremely educational in terms of informing me of what for example, the NHS system is about, and also how anatomy is being taught in Imperial College.
We went to the pathology museum and they have hundreds of years of specimens, whereas in our school we are like 2 or 3 years old, so we definitely don't have as much of that.
I think I'm looking forward to experiencing what a typical Imperial medical student goes through in terms of teaching, in terms of interaction with students and professors. So I'm actually hoping to be able to get a feel of it all in these 5 days, and then hopefully be able to see how these experiences compare with mine at home.
London is definitely much colder for once, and it's also really vibrant as a city, so a lot of us are walking around during the weekend, and there's really so much going on.
So there are the museums, there are the musicals that we can go to, and also it's a gastronomic hub as well, with its eclectic range of foods. So yeah, definitely had a fun time during the weekend.